Alright guys, how's it going tonight? Got a real quick review for you. Got the Battle Arms Development Enhanced Magazine Release for the AR15. And it is, if we'll focus, it is got a pretty good bit of texture to it. I like it. I'm not really a big fan of the red, but you know, it gives you a good idea of what you're getting. These things are priced really reasonable, but they have a good bit of texture to them, easy to install. Just red anodized aluminum, lightweight. It beats the heck out of the factory magazine release that comes on these guns. And if anybody that knows what Battle Arms Development is, they make some killer products. Most of them are really expensive. This is not. This is an upgrade you can do for less than 10 bucks, probably shipped to your door. So if you want a little aesthetic upgrade, this is a good idea. These things, they come in red, black, flat dark earth. I think they might come in the polished aluminum or brushed aluminum, whatever you want to call it. But there you go guys, Battle Arms Development Enhanced AR-15 mag release. Thanks a lot. Be safe.